Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery space. Today, I am gonna break down how you guys can improve on getting more signed agreement forms. We all know that in order to do this business, we have to be authorized from the previous owner or the heir to move forward on behalf of them. We need a signed agreement form. That is the first step. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys many ways that you can make that a lot more efficient. So before we get started, go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You guys know that I'm coming out with content for you guys so that you can dominate in this industry. So the first step to getting to the point where we can even send agreement forms, of course, is going to be getting in communication with the client and informing them that we're going to send them over proof. Okay, I always preach this method on our initial call. We're just simply informing them. We're not trying to, sell them. We're not trying to talk percentages. We're just simply trying to inform them that their property got foreclosed and that there's a potential surplus and our company can help them out. After that, you're going to send an intro email with proof. Now you can discuss closing and move on to the next steps where we can send the agreement form. Now with agreement forms, guys, agreement forms between you and the client, which is basically a service agreement, this does not have to be notarized. So I highly recommend getting online signatures. Okay, so the first method is going to be an online signature. This can be performed on many sites. DocuSign is the most common website. Now DocuSign does come with a fee. So if you guys are looking to go a free route, I recommend using RabbitSign. RabbitSign is what I personally use. You can go into their database, you can upload the agreement form, you can put the line where they need to sign. They just simply receive an email, type their name, electronically sign. This is a binding contract. It goes with all the protocols. You'll receive a copy and so will the client. So RabbitSign is highly effective, guys, or DocuSign or PandaDoc, whatever type of e-signature. Once again, the agreement form, the service agreement between your firm and the client does not have to be notarized. Okay, so that is a great route to take. The second one, guys, is going to be mailing a packet, and this is actually highly effective. Now, the way that you want to do this is you want to first mail them instructions. Okay, this can also be from the intro email template. Thank you for choosing your company name. Here are the details in regards to the foreclosure. You're going to break down the address, the date of the sale, the opening bid, the final sell amount, the potential surplus. You're going to reference the state statute that you operate in that allows the previous owner and heirs to file the claim. And then you're going to have instructions. Attached are, the agreement form. Please sign and return. You guys can even get the sticky notes where you place that on the form, which is identifying where they need to sign. And then you can tell them attached is a return slip. Okay, so guys, personally, when I do this method, I use FedEx. Okay, FedEx, I'm going to send them the document. I'm going to attach a prepaid slip and I'm going to tell them they can just drop it off at a local FedEx office. Okay, as long as you have that prepaid slip in the document, they'll put it in the envelope, they'll charge my account, everything is fine. So we're gonna have those instructions there. We're gonna highlight where to sign. We wanna make things as simple as possible for the client. We're identifying where they need to sign. We're telling them, here's a prepaid slip. You can even go as far as identifying the local FedEx office close proximity to where they live. Very efficient to send the documents that way, guys. You're gonna send them, they can sign, boom, they can send back. If you guys are emailing clients agreement forms and expect them to print and sign and then take a copy and scan it and send it back to you, that's not efficient. I wanted to give you guys efficient ways that you can go ahead and get those documents signed. All right, so the last one, guys, is going to be in person. Okay, so in person honestly is undefeated. You can't beat it. If you go to somebody's house, knock on their door, and you have all of your information prepared, you have a flyer breaking down your business, you have your agreement form ready to move forward, you have notifications showing that the property actually sold for a higher amount and that these surplus funds are actually available. You have a state statute, you have everything identified, guys, they're not going to say no to you. You're going to get that signed. So these are efficient ways that you guys can get more signed agreement forms, which is the first step in moving forward with a claim. Hopefully you guys implement these strategies. If you want to learn step by step exactly how to do this business, check out my course, guys. You can use the code TAKEACTION and you receive $100 off. I'm looking forward to helping you out.